Hi, I'm Liam, the quality control technician from Laser Express Incorporated. I'm here to show you how to replace the top cover on an M600 printer. So to take the top cover off, you're just going to need to remove 4 screws. And to get to the 2 at the back here, you just pull this part right out. You can see the clips come out rather easy. And then there's a screw right here. And a screw right here. And then there's just 2 more screws here under the top. All right, then there's a clip right here in the top cover, a little arm. So you just push the clips in that are on this side. It should come right out. And then you just lift it, it should come right out. So then you take your new piece, you're just going to slide it in there where it would go. And then it works kind of well to just work in circles on it. So you want to make sure that all the clips on every side are lining up. I want to make sure that it's pressed into place everywhere and that it fits right. And then you just work in reverse. So you push the arm back into the hole there. You put the screws in there and there. Remember that here is the bigger of the 4 screws. And then there's 2 screws on the back. You want to take this part, you'll see that some of the edges are rounded and those go forward on the printer. Just snaps back into place. And that's how you replace the top cover on an M600 series printer. Thank you for watching.